Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are here with a new experiment video. We are going to do the experiment with nail polish and a tumbler of water. So let's go into the video.
We are going to put fire on the water. So for that we are going to use this nail polish. We will pour this nail polish on the water and then light the nail polish. Now we are pouring this nail polish onto the water. So now we have poured some nail polish onto the water, as you all can see. So we have put this. So now let's light this nail polish. We are lighting this. Yes, you can see the nail polish has caught fire. Yeah, see the nail polish has caught fire. You all can see the fire lighting. Request children not to try this at home since this involves fire. So this is because the nail polish contains acetone. So that is why it is having this burning property. So this experiment that we have tried is a success. Hope all liked watching this video.
Please like, share in the comment box, and thank you for watching the video, and bye.